Silver maple tree facts. Silver maples are one of the most common maple varieties cultivated in the United States. The tree name comes from the silver-white hue to the underside of tree leaves. Size. Silver maple trees can grow up to 70 feet high and 30 feet wide. Because of its large size, the silver maple is popularly used as a shade tree. Foliage. Silver maple trees are deciduous and broadleafed. In the summer, thick growth appears green on the top of the tree, easily distinguished from the silver leaves below. Benefits. Even in poor soil conditions, silver maple trees will thrive. The tree has an invasive root which can easily penetrate tough soils. Sun access. Silver maple trees require access to full sun but can be grown in partial shade. They are hardy trees and can live in climate zones 3 to 9. Warning. Before planting a silver maple tree, consider the location. Silver maple roots can break sidewalks and house foundations.